Welcome to Land Pride. Once you have your cutter leveled, the next thing you want to do is slip the clutches. Slipping the clutches is an imperative on new units or older units that have set over the winter or even set for a month or so. The clutches themselves will seize together and make it a solid drive line, and then that's where damage occurs. Slipping the clutches is a very simple procedure. One socket and one wrench and a white paint marker and a tape measure. Let me show you how. Remove the cover to gain access to your slip clutch. First thing, now that with the cover removed, the first thing we want to do is measure from this plate to the top of this spring. This is a preset measurement from the manufacturer. Measure a couple of them. Looks like we're about right at 1 inch. The reason for this, that's where we're going to set those springs back to once we're done prepping this clutch. Now we want to take a marker of some sort and make a line across all the discs in that clutch. That's going to show us whether this clutch has slipped or the discs are seized up. Now what we'll do is we'll take 17mm wrench on this particular clutch and loosen the nut. Do this for all 8 springs. Now with the safety cover back in place, we can lower the wings, and making sure the area is clear, we're going to engage this unit and shut it off in short increments. Generally I'll do this 2 or 3 times. At the end of that, we'll come back and we'll look and see if our line is broken. If the line is not broken and it's still in a solid form, that means we're going to have to tear that clutch apart and redo this activity. Now with that complete on all 3 decks and the springs tightened back up to that 1 inch dimension that we had measured, you're ready to go. Unit's now ready to be delivered to your customer. Thank you for doing business with Land Pride, and have a good day.